working on the Miata to do a quick oil change before tomorrow's event at Gulf Coast. I'm gonna be driving there, and yeah, I'm gonna do a quick oil change, put new front tie rods because my old ones came apart on the Dragon, and I wanted to replace those because, you know, I wanted to have something in good working condition. Because what I did was I replaced the front ones that I got messed up with the rear good ones that I had, and that also reminds me I have to take out the rear sway bar for tomorrow's event. So yeah, that's what I want to do right now. So like always, sweating bullets out here, Florida weather, you know what it is. So oil change is done. I'm gonna go for the sway bar links and the rear sway bar disconnect, and I also remember that I gotta put my headlights back on, at least to get there, because it's gonna be nighttime when I leave here. So I'm gonna do that right now. You guys might have noticed that I went from this hole to this hole. The reason I did that is because at very low speeds I'm going through some understeering situations, so I'm giving this a try to see if I can reduce the understeer and maybe incentivize a little bit of oversteer without the sway bar in the back. So I'm just gonna give this a try because I don't know, I just want to try something new, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to tie in these bolts down, and then I'm ready to go. So yeah guys, finished the oil change. I'm gonna put my factory headlights back on real quick. I'm gonna torque down the wheels just to make sure everything's nice and tight. Disconnected the sway bar. I should be ready for tomorrow, but I think before I leave tomorrow I'm gonna wake up early and give it a quick wash because it's full of dust and stuff. I think this sealing makes the car dustier than it is. And yeah, hopefully everything goes well tomorrow. It looks like it might rain, so that sucks, but can't wait to get up there with my friends and have a good time.